There is a heavy police and military presence in the community of 100 Lane of Reddy's Road in St. Andrew, following the shooting death of a 14-year-old boy on Wednesday afternoon, allegedly by security forces. The deceased has been identified as Raheem Wilson. Observer Online understands that Wilson was shot and killed at approximately 1:30 p.m. Police report that a firearm was recovered from the crime scene. Residents are, however, disputing the shooting as the alleged teen was murdered by law enforcers. Investigations are ongoing. A member of the Jamaica Fire Brigade was reportedly arrested in Claremont St. Anne on Wednesday in relation to the murder of a woman. His name is being withheld pending further investigation. Observer Online was informed by a police source that the fireman was arrested after an investigation was launched into the woman's death. A man was shot and killed while another was wounded during a shooting incident in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne on Tuesday. The deceased has been identified as 31-year-old Winston Scott, a fisherman and the employee of Choka Cove Water Sports. Police reports indicate that around 9 a.m., Scott was reportedly attacked by gunmen who opened fire, fatally injuring him. Upon responding to the incident, law enforcement officers were allegedly fired upon by gunmen. The lawmen reportedly returned fire, resulting in one man being shot and wounded. 2 firearms along with a quantity of ammunition were reportedly seized. Investigations into the incident are ongoing. St. James police are reporting that a man who they have been actively seeking was fatally shot during an alleged confrontation with officers on Tuesday evening. The deceased has been identified as 34-year-old Kenroy Roach, otherwise called Tickaweed, a laborer of Bogill in the parish. According to the police source, Roach has been on the police radar for the last few years and is wanted for several crimes including murders, shootings, and stockpiling of ammunition. Reports are that about 6:30 p.m. on Tuesday, a police team was in the community when the incident occurred. During the operation, conducted by a team from the St. James Proactive Investigation Unit and Operation Support Team, Roach and 3 other armed men reportedly emerged from a shop and opened fire on the police officers. The officers, in response to the threat, returned fire. Following the exchange, Roach was found at the rear of the shop with a Glock pistol containing 2 live 9mm rounds. He was transported to Cornwall Regional Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Investigation continued as the police search for the other 3 men who reportedly fled the scene during the encounter. It is unclear if any of the fleeing gunmen were injured. No police officers were harmed during the operation.